Hello everybody, and thank you so much for watching. Today we will make this beautiful two-color doily. My mesh is 15 inches across. This doily is made with 2 colors of acrylic yarn, 4 ply, and has 14 rounds. Here's the yarn and hook information. Let's get started with the first round. Make a chain of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I like to go into my very first loop of the very first chain and make a slip stitch. To start round 1, chain 3 for the first double crochet, then make 15 more, double crochet into the ring. So counting the chain of 3, we will altogether have 16 double crochet into the ring. Make a slip stitch into the 1, 2, 3 into the third chain to end round 1 and start round 2. In this round we will crochet 2 doubles together. Chain 2, make a double crochet into the same stitch, the first stitch. Chain 2, go to the next stitch, the second stitch, and make a double crochet, but don't finish it. Leave 2 loops on the hook. Go into the second stitch again, make a double crochet, leave 3 loops on the hook, pull through 3 loops, chain 2, and repeat 2 doubles together. Go into the next stitch, make a double, leave 2 loops, make another double into the same stitch, leave 3 loops, pull through 3, chain 2, go to the next stitch and make 2 doubles together. In this way we will have 16 groups of 2 doubles together in this round, with chain 2s in between. Finish round 2 with a chain of 2 and make a slip stitch into the first chain of 2, and start round 3. Let's make a 3 yarn over puff stitch. Pull a loop a little bit shorter than your regular double crochet. Yarn over once, pull the loop through the chain space, yarn over twice, pull the second loop, yarn over 3 times, pull the third loop. On the first puff stitch, pull through all loops, close off with a chain, chain 3, go to the next chain space and make the second puff stitch. Yarn over once, pull through, yarn over twice, pull through, yarn over 3 times, pull through. This time pull through all the loops but leave 2 on the hook. Pull through 2, chain 3, and repeat. Go to the next chain space, yarn over once, pull through, 2, 3 yarn overs, pull through, leave 2 loops on the hook, pull through 2, and make 3 chains. This way make 16 puff stitches with chain 3s in between. Finish round 3 with a chain of 3 and make a slip stitch into the first chain space of 3. And I pull my yarn through one more time. Start round 4 with a new color. I start my blue color. Now you can start round 4 in any of the chain spaces. I make a standalone double, but you can also chain 3. I wrap the yarn around my hook, and you can also make a slip knot, but you need a loop on the hook. Yarn over and make 4 double crochet into the chain space, any chain space. 1 double, 2, 3, and 4. Go to the next chain space and now make only 3 doubles. So in this round we alternate between 4 doubles, 3 doubles, 4 doubles, 3 doubles. That's my second double and my third double crochet. Alternate between 4 doubles and 3 doubles, 4, 3, 4, 3. At the end of the round we will altogether have 56 double crochet. Finish round 4 with 3 doubles in the chain space and a slip stitch into the first double crochet. And start round 5, and we will repeat the round 2 where we made the 2 doubles together. Chain 2, make a double crochet into the same stitch. Chain 2. Then skip the next stitch, go into the third stitch and make 2 doubles together. Leave 2 loops, leave 3 loops, pull through 3, chain 2, then skip the next stitch, the 4th stitch, go into the 5th stitch and make 2 doubles together. So in this round we're skipping 1 stitch, make 2 doubles together and chain 2 in between. At the end of the round you should have 28 groups of 2 doubles together. Finish round 5 with 2 chains, skip the last stitch and make a slip stitch into the chain space of 2 and start round 6, which is a puff stitch round. Pull a long loop but not longer than your double crochet and make the 3 yarn over puff stitch. The first puff stitch, pull through all loops, close off with a chain, make 3 chains. go to the next chain space and make the 3 yarn over puff stitch, 1, 2, 3, then leave 2 loops on the hook, pull through 2, chain 3, make the 3 yarn over puff stitches in all the chain spaces, leave 2 loops on the hook, pull through 2, chain 3. This way you should have 28 puff stitches with chain 3 in between. Finish round 6 with a chain of 3, make a slip stitch into the first chain of 3, and I pull my yarn through one more time. And now I can switch my color to pink in round 7. Round 7 is a repeat of round 4. Start in any of the chain spaces. I like to start with my standalone double, make 4 double crochet into the first chain space. Then go to the next chain space and make 3 double crochet, so we're alternating again between 4 doubles and 3 doubles. At the end of round 7, you should have 98 double crochet all the way around. Finish round 7 with a group of 3 double crochet into the last chain space and a slip stitch into the first double crochet. Start round 8, which is the same as round 5, where we made 2 doubles together. Chain 2, make 1 double into the same stitch, the first stitch. Chain 2, skip 1 stitch into the next stitch, make 2 double crochet together, 1 and 2. Chain 2 and repeat. Make 49 groups of 2 doubles together, skip 1 in between, chain 2 in between. Finish round 8 with a chain of 2, skip the last stitch and make a slip stitch into the first chain space of 2 and start round 9, which is a puff stitch round. Make a long loop and then make the 3 yarn over puff stitch. Pull through all loops, close off, make 3 chains, and repeat the puff stitches in all of the chain spaces of 2, 3 yarn overs, leave 2 loops on the hook, pull through 2, make 3 chains, make 49 puff stitches with chain 3s in between. Finish round 9 with a chain of 3 and make a slip stitch into the first chain of 3, secure your yarn. I will use the blue yarn again for round 10. Start round 10 in any of the chain spaces, make 3 doubles into every chain space, so don't alternate, make 3 doubles into every chain space and you will have 147 doubles at the end of the round. At the end of the round, pull your hook out of the last double and go into your first double from the back to the front through both loops. Put the loop of the last double on your hook and pull it through the back. Pull tight, make a chain and start round 11. We didn't change our stitch count. We have the stitches of the 3 doubles to the right and the stitches of the 3 doubles to the left. Now let's make the last 3 rounds of our doily. I like to cut my yarn for the color changes, but you can take it along. I also prefer the standalone stitches, so our doily will be seamless. You can start in any of the double crochet, wrap the yarn around your hook, or make a slip knot for the standalone single crochet. Here's the front loop. Go into the back loop of the double crochet, any double crochet, and I crochet around my loose end as well. Pull the loop through, pull through 2 loops, that's the standalone single crochet. Now make single crochet into all of the back loops. We had 147 doubles, now we will have 147 single crochet in all the back loops. When you get to the spot where we had the end of the previous round, take care to only crochet into the back loops of the double crochet and not accidentally into the loop that we pulled through the double crochet, so we keep our stitch count correct. 3 doubles, 3 doubles, 3 singles, 3 singles. Finish the round, put the hook into the first single crochet back to front, pull the loop of the last single crochet through, pull tight, make a chain. Now we have the loop of the last single crochet, the loop we just pulled through, and the loop of the first single crochet. Start round 12 and I will use my blue yarn. You can start in any of the single crochet into the back loop, make 7 double crochet into the next 7 back loops of the single crochet. And in this round we make the 7 doubles, chain 1, 7 doubles, all into the back loops. After you made the 7 doubles, chain 1, make 7 more doubles into the next 7 back loops of the single crochet. 7 doubles, chain 1, 7 doubles, chain 1. When you get to the connection, make sure just to crochet into the back loops and not the loop that we pulled through the back. Finish round 12, pull the loop from the last double crochet through the first double crochet front to the back, make a chain and start round 13 with the pink yarn. Now we have 21 groups with 7 double crochet and chain 1 in between. You can start round 13 in any of the 21 groups, but it must be the 6th double out of the 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Pull a loop through the 6th double crochet through both loops. Make a chain and make a single crochet into the same stitch, the 6th double crochet. Skip the 7th double crochet and make 5 doubles into the chain space of 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Skip the first double crochet, make a single crochet into the 2nd double crochet. Chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and repeat the sequence. Skip 3 doubles into the 6th double crochet, make a single crochet. Skip the 7th double into the chain space, make 5 doubles. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Skip the first double, make a single crochet into the 2nd double. Chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Repeat the sequence. Skip 3 doubles, make a single crochet into the 6th double. Skip the 7th double and made 5 doubles into the chain space of 1. Skip the first double, make a single into the 2nd double, and chain 4. Finish round 13 with a chain of 4 and a slip stitch into the first single crochet. And start round 14, our last round. Make a back post double around the first double crochet. Go around the entire post from the back to the front and from the front to the back, so you have the entire post on your hook, and then make the double crochet, pull through the post, then through 2 loops and through 2, and repeat 4 more times. Go into the 2nd double, back to the front, front to the back, make the back post double, and the 3rd time make the back post double around the 3rd double crochet and around the 4th double crochet and around the 5th double crochet. The 5th double crochet can be a little tricky. Go from the back to the front and from the front to the back. Make sure you don't accidentally go into the single crochet. Make sure you only grab the double crochet. Go around that post. That's how it looks. Only the post on the hook. And then pull through 2 and through 2. Now you can make the slip stitch into the single crochet. And chain 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and start over. Make a slip stitch into the first single crochet. Make the 5 back post doubles around the 5 previous double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, and the 5th one. Be careful not to go into the single crochet. Make a slip stitch into the single crochet. Chain 4 and repeat. Make a slip stitch into the first single crochet. Make 5 back post double crochet around the previous 5 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, and crochet around the 5th one. Be careful just to grab the post of the double crochet. Make a slip stitch into the single crochet, chain 4, and repeat the sequence. Make a slip stitch into the first single crochet. Make 5 back post doubles into the previous 5 doubles, a slip stitch into the second single crochet, and chain 4. Finish the round. Pull your hook out of the 4th chain and thread a needle. Skip over the slip stitch, go into the back post double through both loops, front to the back and back into the 4th chain, top down, and secure your yarn in the back. And now our doily is finished. I hope you had fun making it, and I see you next time. Bye bye!